Hey everyone, CTNtechnologynews here, today doing a rumor video on the upcoming version of Apple's Mac OS software, OSX 10.10. So a new report indicates that OSX 10.10 could be the big star of WWDC 2014 this year instead of iOS 8 because it'll actually be more of a radical redesign of the operating system than the next version of iOS will. So OSX 10.10 will supposedly feature a major visual redesign, something in the same league as the move from iOS 6 to iOS 7. As a result, Apple is interested in showing off those features to developers, and rumors are stating that members of the iOS UI team have actually been pulled in to help finish the new OS X design. So reports are indicating that OS X will take on some of iOS 7's design cues, including sharper corners and more white space, but Apple isn't going to try and pull a Microsoft and try and shoehorn its mobile OS into the desktop. With every major software update, Apple has so far reiterated its commitment to keeping iOS and OS X as separate entities, and I don't think that's going to change right now. That doesn't mean the two can't share some of the same design language or similar features, but OS X is designed for a mouse and a keyboard, and iOS is designed for touch. So what will the next version of OS X 10.10 be called? Well, with Mavericks, Apple retired its cat name theme, and has said future versions of OS X will be inspired by California. Rumors suggest that the internal code name is Syrah, after the wine, although it's also worth noting that Apple has actually acquired the trademarks for Yosemite, Mammoth, and Diablo. So basically, let me just go ahead and just talk a little bit more about the visual redesign. So OS X Mavericks is a fairly modest step over the last version of OS X, and a lot of Mavericks is pretty fantastic. If OS X 10.10 were simply a graphical refresh along with a few tweaks and improvements, that could still be a big deal, and it wouldn't really need to add a lot of functionality to stay on pace with a lot of other desktop operating systems right now. A new look would be a great incentive for Mac developers to continue making great apps, utilities, and games without changing everything up so people don't know where to find stuff. So Apple also is, I think the reason why they might be deciding to, keep some of the functionality the same is, they've seen some of the backlash that Microsoft has experienced with Windows 8 with trying to create a brand new operating system out of something that people have grown accustomed to. And, I think Apple is capable of changing the design language as well as some of the internal features, but I don't think that's going to happen necessarily this year. Let me know what you expect to see in OS X 10.10 in the comments below though. Please be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye!